Welcome my channel. Automates looking at the king of the earth movers. But this isn't just any machine. This is the 2026 Caterpillar D11XE, the most advanced, most powerful, and smartest bulldozer Cat has ever built. And today, we're going to show you why this beast is changing the game forever. Whether you're in construction, mining, or just obsessed with heavy equipment, the D11XE is something you need to see in action. Let's get into it. Right away, the D11XE looks like it means business. At over 248,000 pounds and more than 35 feet long, this machine is physically imposing. But it's not just about size. The real story lies under the hood and in the software. This is Caterpillar's first high-drive electric drive dozer in the D11 class, and that's a huge deal. Instead of relying solely on a traditional mechanical powertrain, the D11Z combines a powerful diesel engine with an electric drive system. That means more torque, better fuel efficiency, and smoother operation. We're talking about up to 25% better fuel efficiency compared to the standard D11, which is insane for a machine of this scale. The XE in the name stands for electric drive, and that's where this thing really shines. The D11XE uses a Cat C32 engine paired with an electric generator and a cutting-edge electric final drive system. It delivers power when and where it's needed, with nearly instant torque and much less parasitic energy loss. That means you're moving more dirt, burning less fuel, and lowering your operating costs in the long run. For mine sites, running these machines 24/7, that could mean millions saved over the lifetime of the equipment. But what about performance? This isn't just some hybrid showpiece. The D11XE has already proven itself in grueling field trials. Across North America and Australia, operators report faster cycle times, better responsiveness, and less fatigue over long shifts. It turns out, electric drive doesn't just mean efficiency, it also means smooth, controllable power that feels almost like driving a massive piece of precision machinery. And the software, it's next level. The D11XE integrates seamlessly with Cat's latest suite of automation and telematics tools. We're talking Cat MineStar, Cat Grade with 3D, onboard diagnostics, fuel and productivity analytics, and remote control capabilities. You can control this dozer from across the job site door across the world with pinpoint accuracy. Plus, it learns. The onboard systems optimize blade load, slip control, and engine speed in real time, reducing wear and maximizing output. It's not just smart, it's learning how to work smarter every single day. Now, let's talk comfort, because when you're in a machine this big for 10 to 12 hours, that cab better be on point. And the D11XE absolutely nails it. Inside, you've got an air-suspended heated seat, ultra-low vibration, dual display touchscreens, ergonomic joystick controls, and a 360-degree camera system. It feels more like a spaceship than a bulldozer. Caterpillar didn't just build a more powerful dozer, they built one that makes the operator's job easier, safer, and way more comfortable. And that matters. Because in this industry, retention of skilled operators is a big deal. Give them a better environment and they perform better. Simple as that. The maintenance side, also upgraded, with fewer moving parts in the drivetrain, the D11XE has longer maintenance intervals and fewer wear components. That means less downtime, lower cost of ownership, and better uptime for job sites where every minute counts. Filters are easier to access, diagnostics are available in real time, and predictive maintenance helps catch issues before they become problems. It's built to work in, built to last. And here's something you don't hear often in the heavy equipment world: sustainability. Yeah, we said it. The D11XE isn't just powerful, it's part of a cleaner, more efficient future for earth moving, with reduced emissions, lower fuel burn, and quieter operation. It's better for the environment and better for the people working around it. In some regions, it even qualifies for green incentives. For companies trying to hit ESG goals, this isn't just smart, it's strategic. Now you might be wondering, how much does something like this cost? Well, it's a premium machine, so the price tag reflects that. But Caterpillar is quick to point out that the D11XE pays for itself in the long term. When you combine better fuel economy, lower maintenance, higher productivity, and advanced telematics, the return on investment becomes clear. And for large mining operations or heavy-duty construction outfits, that math makes a lot of sense. But numbers aside, the real question is, what's it like to run one? Ask any operator who spent time in the seat and they'll tell you the same thing. It's a game changer. You're not just moving dirt, you're commanding a 248,000-pound machine with the precision of a joystick. The responsiveness is almost immediate. The blade feels like an extension of your hand. It's powerful, but not jerky. And when you're pushing a full load, that electric torque makes the difference. You can feel no lags, no stalls, just constant, efficient motion. We've seen the footage. It climbs over massive berms, powers through dense rock, and levels ground like a hot knife through butter. It's a performance machine dressed like a brute, and that's exactly what heavy equipment operators want. You know Caterpillar doesn't release something like this lightly. The D11XE has been in development for years, tested under extreme conditions, and refined with feedback from real-world operators and site managers. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention of what the D11 can be. And if this is the future of bulldozers, then the future is electric. So, where does that leave us? The 2026 Caterpillar D11XE isn't just a machine, it's a statement about where the industry is going, what operators deserve, and how technology can transform even the most rugged equipment into a tool of precision, power, and progress. It's a dozer that pushes more than dirty, it pushes boundaries. Whether you're a gearhead, a construction pro, or just someone who loves seeing innovation in action, the D11XE deserves your attention. Because it's not just the biggest dozer Cat makes, it might just be the smartest. That's it for today's deep dive. If you liked this breakdown of the D11XE, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more heavy equipment reviews, and drop a comment if you've ever had the chance to run one of these monsters or if it's on your dream machine list. Until next time, keep pushing forward.